Look at this little gem, the VIM HBR1046 double locking bit ratchet. You can use it a 1/4 inch on one side, locking, 3/8 on the other side, also locking. Both anvils come out, and you could put, well, I wouldn't have any bits that fit that 3/8, but this 1/4 inch side fit any bit, normal bit in it. Completely reversible. It does have a C clip where it does look like it can be serviced. Man, this is an impressive little ratchet. It's the same one most people have, the icon and stuff. It's usually only about that long. I haven't put it through its paces yet, but it does have a nice locking head on it. No wiggle at all. Sounds good. That, everybody's really into compact 3/8. That is a compact 3/8. I love it. Let me know what you guys think about it. Not screwed, pinned in, which is okay because of the locking for me. It's not going to get loose. Also, this 3/8 side doubles as a 10mm. You could use it as a regular wrench if you needed to. Alright.